Hey guys, welcome back to OBTOYS. So today I'm going to be showing you my custom hybrid dinosaur. We're going to be using parts of a Triceratops, a Allosaurus, and a Therizinosaurus. Also, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I love working with Blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints, so make sure you stick around to see what happens when I turn out the lights. Alright guys, I'm going to sit back and let you watch my process, and I'll check back with you in a bit. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, be sure to smash that like button for me right now. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along in the fun. Alright guys, just about finished with this thing. I still have a bunch of little details to add to it, but I'm not going to make you guys wait around any longer. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the final results. But before we do, we always got to go back to where we started. And here we go. So what do you guys think? Do you like this thing? I freaking love it. It turned out so awesome, and wait till you guys see the glow in the dark. It is crazy. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. If you like it or if you don't like it, or if you have a name you want to call this thing, put it down in the comments. I love hearing your feedback from you guys. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you the glow in the dark, but before I do, I just wanted to say thank you to all those who have made purchases over the holidays from my online toy store, shopobtoys.com. I really appreciate everybody's support. You guys were absolutely fantastic, and yeah, and here's to another great year. So yeah, be sure to check out the website and help support the channel. Alright guys, time for Blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints. Here we go. I have over 160 other customs on the channel, so if you haven't seen everything, be sure to go back and check out the playlist above. Well guys, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did putting it together for you. Also, be sure to check out my Teespring page and help support the channel. Got all sorts of products there for you guys, like t-shirts, sweatshirts, posters, stickers, and even jigsaw puzzles. Also, a special thanks to all my OBTOYS members. Really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving the channel. And if you want to become a member, click on the link above. Alright guys, like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, OBTOYS out.